Hello, today we're going to go ahead and do pano. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have barriers on your exposure button, and you also want to have barriers on your screen and your start button, which is a little green button back here. The second thing you want to do before you start is go ahead and go to entry 1 so the patient can just come in directly. And then while that's setting up, you want to come to the computer. Go ahead and choose your patient, and then you go to the x-rays, and then you go to new exams, and you go to panoramic. Okay, and by that time your patient should be here. So, hi Ms. Valdez, how are you?
Doing good, thank you.
Today we're going to go ahead and take a panoramic of you. It's going to be an x-ray of your full dentition. So if I can go ahead and get you to remove your hair clips, any earrings, any removable appliances. And then while you're doing that, you want to go ahead and grab your bite block and come and put it over here. And is there any possibility that you may be pregnant? No. No? Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put on the lead apron for you. This is just going to protect you from the x-rays. Alright. And if I can just go ahead and get you to step over here for me, please. And you always want to come to the side so you can see what you're doing. Go ahead and step in for me, and then go ahead and bite on the little groove, and put your hands on the support handle. Okay, so she's not tipping down and she's not tipping up, so she's in good condition there. Okay, and the next is if the positioning lights aren't on, you're going to turn them on by this little wheel that's down here. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the tragus for her. So it's going to be directly in the middle. Alright. And then go ahead and take a small step forward for me. Okay. Let me go ahead and close the temple supports. And then smile for me. Okay, you want to make sure that it's on the midline, and then for the occlusion, since she has normal occlusion, it's going to be between the lateral and the central. Alright. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and click ready. And then you're going to go ahead and come to the computer. You're going to right click and you're going to acquire from Panoramic. You're going to click OK. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and give her the verbal instructions, which is going to be, if I can just get you to close your mouth and then just place the tongue at the roof of your mouth and then go ahead and swallow for me and then just stay as still as possible. You're going to come over here, and then once this is done blinking, you're going to go ahead and press it for the duration of the pano. So the button stopped blinking, so you're going to go ahead and click it. And then at the same time that you're doing that, you want to watch her, and then you want to watch the screen at the same time. Okay, so we're done. Okay, Ms. Valdez, can I go ahead and get you to remove the plastic? And then go ahead and dispose of it here in the trash can. And then I'm going to go ahead and take off the light apron for you. And then at this time, you would just escort your patient to the front, tell her that she's going to be ready for the next appointment. And then, thank you, Ms. Valdez.
Thank you.
And now what you're going to do is you're just going to take off the barriers, and you're going to go ahead and cavity wipe everything. Or the only things that you're going to cavity wipe is the chin area, the little stay right here, and then the temple supports. And after you're done, you're just going to go ahead and place the piano machine all the way up and then just log off and everything, and you are done.